Here are 10 ways to avoid a motorcycle crash on the highway. Number 1, stay calm. The first step in any emergency is to stay calm. Panicking can make the situation worse and affect your ability to react effectively. Number 2, practice emergency braking. Learn and practice how to brake quickly and safely. Use both the front and rear brakes, but avoid locking them up. Number 3, swerving. If braking isn't enough to avoid an obstacle, practice swerving around it. This skill can be a lifesaver. For the most effective swerve, make sure you push forward on your hand grip. Number 4, look where you want to go. In an emergency, focus on where you want to go, not at the hazard. Your motorcycle will follow your eyes. Number 5, use your horn. In situations where you need to alert other drivers quickly, use your horn to get their attention. Don't try rev bombing. Number 6, avoid abrupt movements. Make smooth, controlled movements to maintain balance and control of your motorcycle. Number 7, wear safety gear. Always wear full protective gear like a helmet, gloves, and riding jacket to reduce injury in case of an accident. Number 8, know your escape routes. While riding, always be aware of possible escape routes in case you need to quickly change direction. Have at least 2 escape routes picked out at all times, that way you can get out of there. Number 9, regular maintenance. Keep your motorcycle in good condition. Regularly check brakes, tires, lights, and other essential components. You don't want your motorcycle breaking down at 70 miles an hour on the highway. Trust me, it sucks. Number 10, take advanced riding courses. Consider taking advanced riding courses to improve your skills and learn how to handle emergencies effectively, especially when riding on the highway. By practicing these tips, you can better prepare yourself for unexpected situations and ride more safely. Got any other good tips? Leave them in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more.